All right. Hello, everybody. Um, Let me just start off saying I screwed up on the last stream, and it's probably because it was, 2 a.m. I've been making a couple worlds trying to figure out, particularly items, and I come to the realization we probably shouldn't be focusing on items right now because it's actually locked behind UCG creator level 3. Now, you probably can't see at the bottom of the screen. I'm level 1. Um, no, I'm just kidding. I'm level 2. I leveled up to level 2 today. So, I'm just gonna show how you make an inventory really quick and equipment, and then we're gonna scrap what I've been doing, and we're just gonna start a really basic roguelike where instead of items and an equipment system, they'll still be items, but they won't be named. That's locked behind level 3. You have to publish one work and get a certain amount of people to you have to reach a certain threshold to reach level 3. Yeah, I'm level 2. You can't see it on by the bottom of the screen. Actually, you know what? You actually could if I move this. So I'm gonna stop wasting time on items and we're gonna make something more basic. I think the level design is gonna be more important. Yeah, I'm level 2. Um, so how do you create an inventory? I'll make a video on this too, so you don't have to watch the stream. Basically, you know what? Um, you go to add common component and there's an inventory. There's also equipment slot. And then these things only show up if you've already made those. So you go here, currency inventory. You have to create an inventory where you set to this to 1, inventory 1 instead of using the template. Corresponding loot appearance is based off of like if something dropped out of your inventory or maybe this inventory itself. And then equipment slots. Now, it came to my attention you can't use text until you uh, are level 3. So we're gonna go with that and stop wasting time. And what I'm going to do, instead of worrying about this, we'll still have currencies because you don't really need um stuff for that. What I'm going to do, we're going to create a new world where we don't have this random bullshit. Sorry, BS. Actually, before I do that, let me save. Let me direct upload just to show you guys the inventory slots because it's 20 and the equipment slots. I made a very basic stage. What I'm going to do, I'm going to follow the tutorial where they make a weapon class that equips a weapon, not as an item, but as a visual effect. And then we're going to use that to switch our class. It's super easy. Use an empty object. And I screenshotted the nodes for it. It's super simple. And that's how we're going to set up a more complex class system. I also set this up. A coin. It's a visual effect, actually a rotating coin. Although for some reason it has collision. I don't know why. Where you pick it up, gives you items. Of course, they're not named. This gives you currency. I made this so you could destroy it. Drops this. A little bit better. This is just testing stuff. So we need to upgrade our rank to do more things. And what I want to do is more complex. Can't do anything with the shield yet, although you can add custom shields. Probably not this kind of shield. And I'm guessing because early mode for this, they'll probably add more. How's it going, Mandra? How are you doing? Oh yeah, to show my inventory. We have inventory working, 20 slots. We have this, which was supposed to be a currency. Separate it. Oop. We have a sword that we could equip. Of course, we can't see the description there. Those don't do anything visually. Have all kinds of skills. All right. Through heavy stress. I'm glad to hear you're doing all right. Sorry to hear about the stress. That's not good. All right, so I have to follow the tutorial too. And I'm going to add a leveling system. All right. Boop, 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 boop. Oh god, what is happening? Okay, something's bad. Okay, something bad happening. That was bad. All right, my cat wants out. So probably. You actually want to know? Okay, let me let him out while this loads. It's gonna take longer to load because I'm streaming. It's very aggressive if you don't let him out, which is fair, but he'll like claw the crap out of me. Think he'll be free next month. I have kind by for September. Um, well, I'll be free no matter what. November. I mean, we'll see what's gonna happen. I should have time. I'm hoping I'll have a job by then, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm also occupied for Spooktober because this mode came out for Genshin, the UGC mode, and then next week is Duet Night Abyss. So I have a bunch of YouTube stuff I have to do, especially for Duet Night Abyss because I'm a creator for them. For this entire time. Um, the past week, I haven't done anything to my Spooktober vids yet. This brush do. Let's okay. I'm gonna set up a level. What is this? That's not a good. That's not great looking. Okay, let's do this. Set up a basic level. Uh-oh. Wow. Horror videos with my BF. We actually been playing horror game in my library. Nice. I actually thought about making a channel for horror videos, but my biggest constraint is time. And there's only so much time in a day. It was great. I think around PCSX for Fatal Frame game. Nice. Okay. Fix this gross looking grass. It's like ugly grass. Super ugly. Oh, PCX2 is essentially PS2 emulator. Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I've never actually heard of it before. Okay. Design a level. Actually, I'm gonna go back. We're gonna start with the class. Let's see. Well, this roguelike basic class system, and I'll move these files when I publish them. Play 20 of my nostalgic games. Nice. Yeah, nostalgia's EA at 2008 PS2 game, and it's like been made in PS3 instead. Also, EA actually used to be a good company. They actually used to make good games. Now they've been bought by a company in the Middle East and have been privatized. And probably, well, we'll see what happens. But Used to, yeah. I used to love EA games, and then over time, oh, their newer games have sucked. Is this not cry? Oh, you know what? I need to making this silent. Let me go to name honestly good reputation went to trash for a time. I mean that's true for a lot of game companies though. Blizzard, Bungie, Gearbox, EA all have been really in the deep end lately. Okay, I'm gonna go to Hoya mix so we don't have silence. Like a non-cry track. Like the sound of silence. Do 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 do. You haven't seen PS2 EA game Black, you'd understand maybe. Yeah, I'll have to look that up. I was never a PS2 person. Didn't have one when I was growing up. I had friends that had it, but it's a little different. I make a really crazy level. I guess we gotta start with mechanics before I actually build something. Bro, I'm only a PSP and PS2 person before moving. We're moving to tablet person. Oh, okay. How's it going, Fuzzy? How are you doing, sir? What are you doing? So I came to realize why certain things weren't working, and it's because I need to be level 3 on Minstria. So no items. I'm gonna take a tutorial from the developers and yeah. Multiplayer GD would be interesting. Oh, good point. For GD's discount. Okay. That could be interesting. How are you doing, Fuzzy? So I'm gonna make a basic roguelike, and then the next iteration will be scarier and more horrifying. Oh, this is Nod Cry. Okay, I'm gonna use a lot of Nod Cry stuff. For today, but in Christmas, okay. Was doing the bridge battle thing has been fun. Oh yeah, I'm gonna check those out at the later. I should. And I could gift you GD. I'll check how much it is and I'll buy it if it's not too much. Let's see, Geometry Dash $5. Yeah. I'll buy GD. But thanks for the turbo hydrate.
By whom? Whose gaze could pierce this far?
Oh. Okay. Gotta go to prefabs. So what I'm gonna do today is design a class and then set up another class and then put them on the map. Do some mini games, come back and design some on the map and throw in an enemy and then make elite enemies and then end the stream. Hey yo, FBI. And if it takes too long, I'll do that off stream. I have some knowledge on the mini games. Oh, how's it going, Sharp? How are you doing? How have you been? Yeah, how many mini games have you played, Fuzzy? Doing good about you. I'm doing okay. Oh, let me turn down the music. It's too loud. Shoot. Hasman Hotel. It knows too much. Okay, what am I doing? Empty. An empty object. Okay, I'm gonna call this Sword 01. Randomized team. I'll have to refund you for that because we're not in Genshin itself. Currently 6 different one. Oh, what's your favorite so far? So it's weird, Sharp. I'm in Genshin, but I'm in another version of Genshin where there's no gacha characters at the moment. Don't worry about refund. Nah. It's easy to refund. I have a fortune cookie. Okay. So I have to remember how to do this. Forgot I'm a mod who can refund. Let's call this sword. Okay, class. Pick up. Hey, refund. Are you refund, Baka? Okay, thank you, Fuzzy. We'll call this one arm. No, we'll just call this common peasant sword. Peasant sword master. No, how about squire? We'll call this squire. It'll be melee. I need to make a category for this. Class pickups. So this is how we're gonna avoid using items. I don't know. It was the fortune cookie. It will be difficult and complicated. You know what it takes to get it done. What the heck kind of class pickup? I broke up points now. Bye bye. Don't worry, the points come back. And they're really kind of irrelevant, except for certain redeems. Stop giving me points back. Listen. Ozzy is nice and refunded everything that didn't do anything. Okay. Madam Herda. Okay, I gotta check one thing.
Next.
I gotta watch the tutorial. I just have to remember what they did. Okay, empty object. Add custom component. They added collision. Okay, that's a trigger. Okay, they added the trigger. Cuboid. Only characters. Will Fuzzy stop giving me points? Can't compute. Try again later. Oh. Okay, so he had a trigger. Right, a visual effect, which is gonna be the weapon. Gonna be a looping effect. Okay, let me get up to that point. Will I cry? Can't compute. Try again. Hopefully not. That's not good. Oh no. Okay, we're at a collision trigger. Advanced editing. We're just gonna do this.
Round 1. Fight.
Right. Me versus bot. Feels like the internet nowadays just fighting against AI. Indeed. Okay, so we have this. Ow. Ouchie. Okay, we're gonna add a visual effect. There's a visual effect for swords. Oh, not normal attack. Oh, what is this? Ow. What is that? Okay, am I like... Oh, these are timed effects, not looping effects. Okay, see there's different swords, which they're not showing up, ironically. Oh, there's the sword. Hey, yo. Crickets. Okay, so there's different sword models here, right? So we have 5 different ones. So we can take advantage of this to add rarity. There's the sword. Regular. Needs brain cells for this game. What are brain cells? I've never heard of that. Okay. Actually gonna add yellow spherical halo. Okay, I don't want maybe it's some sort of beam. I want players to know there's an item there. Okay, like this is great. Or this. Yeah. Actually, I like this better. My goal, maybe an indicator? Yeah, some sort of... Oh yeah, a hint beam. We can add a hint beam. There we go. Cool. This was not in the tutorial. 0 points left. Why is that your goal? Love that sound effect. Okay, so now there's a sword that appears. I'm actually gonna move this. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of stuff here. We're gonna have to... what the Sigma? Put these on our road. On the road again. On the road again. Because I want to know that these are the class items. Should totally refund 10k points I used. No scam. Unfortunately, Twitch only Twitch gives you points, except for when you are refunded points when you use points that you've already had. So can't actually be given points. Oh yeah. Darn, Twitch trying to regulate points. Well, I got 2k back. Darn. There are Streamlab points, but I can't make channel point redeems out of those. Those are dumb. Okay, so this doesn't have collision. Okay, we're gonna save this. Okay, saved it. Okay, then a custom tab. Okay. The player picks up or collects or picks up a weapon, they can switch to this class. Okay. Enable combat functionality. Okay. Combat, find class. We gotta make a class. Oh, sorry, I'm not showing this because I don't know if I'm actually allowed to. Okay, go to skill, edit it. Okay, so we're gonna make a custom class. Cause. Okay, so can't make a create tab for that. We'll just call this common swordsman. No growth, default 10. Linear formula. I'm gonna have to copy and paste this each time. So 2 times the level plus 100. That's a pretty good formula. That's the dynamic difficulty formula for Terraria. Okay, we have all of these. Okay. And they get normal attack, which they didn't show how they made that. That's great. Great, developers. So happy by that. Okay. Okay. It froze. That's fine, you know, that's really it. Okay. Go presets. And then melee skills. So there's like a sword combo. Yeah, they didn't really show how this works. Twin blade. I'm curious how twin blade works. Okay, so there's gain combat ability. Okay, so I'm a little unhappy by this. Let's do this. Sword combo, we added to preset. The whole point of why I'm doing this. Okay, actually, I'm also gonna add another preset. We'll do the horizontal, that's a dash. And then apply status, which is a speed thing. I want you to change tabs. Would you presets? So these give us like examples of how they set up the animations for these. That's why using presets is like kind of a must. In fact, odd catalyst combo there. I'll also add this aerial charge, throw, twin blade, because I don't know how that works. Boxing combo is literally just punching. Bow combo, bow aiming. Great sword, which I don't think we had, so it's good to have the preset tabs so you don't dilute your tabs. Full arm, move these presets. Okay, so that's all done. Now these don't have cooldowns yet or resource consumption, which we'll set up later. The sword combo, we'll have to copy that. So melee skills, new skill. It's called the sword. Nah, actually, let's not worry about that right now. Okay. Okay, we'll go to class, common swordsman. The normal attack will be the sword combo, and then there'll be a dash. And then there'll be a sprint. Okay, so we have that. Gonna save. Alright, I'm not gonna worry about this yet. So what do I do now? Oh yeah. So frick, what do I do now? They added a node graph. I have the screenshot of the node graph, so I don't need to worry about that. I'm trying to think. Class config, or class should be the ID. Okay, yeah, we got that. Target player needs to be obtained, get used. Okay, which belongs to character. And then after this, we can just copy and paste this, and then we never have to manually do this again. Just literally copy and paste. The animations are what are more important, though. Okay, so there's an attachment. Oh, okay. So I'll show this. Okay, let me all right, so yeah, there's an attachment. So this is what I didn't understand. You could actually equip stuff through classes. Oh, this is showing the right thing. Okay, it's not. Okay, so what we're gonna do, go to this class node right here, uncategorized now. Item node. I actually don't know what node they were in. Entity node? Yeah, what were they in? Component library, asset, bar, that's not what we're looking at. Okay, well that's helpful. Entity node. Wait, but that's not... I'm so confused. Wait, this isn't updated. Status node, okay, those are there. Class pickups, uncategorized, custom creation, gene editing, prefab. It's not updated. Am I dumb? Class node graph. This isn't right. Oh, Genshin. Oh, Genshin. Yep. That's the thing. Here, why don't we do this? Why don't we see if S-Play fixes the problem? Okay, yeah, I can't do anything. That is a Nod Cry asset, though. I am very happy they're a Nod Cry asset. I was a little worried they wouldn't add that. Hopefully we'll get Sumeru assets in the future. Okay, abandoned challenge. There are some Sumeru stuff, but not a lot. I was hoping like we get like the temple stuff to make a whole Sumeru temple. That'd be like, oh, let's see. Yeah, there's like it's most of it's not. There's Liyue, there's Sumeru, but it's not. It's just the stone stuff. There's barely any Fontaine stuff too. Barely any Nod Cry stuff. Okay, I don't know why it's not here. How's it going, Break Art? How are you doing? Yeah, so nothing that is supposed to be here is appearing. That's great. That might actually be a bug. Let me... I forgot I was showing this. That's not fun. I don't know why this isn't working. It might actually be broken. Okay, so I added custom tab. Let's see, class nodes. Not there. This is not good. Let's save and exit. I'm good. How are you? It's been a while. I'm doing okay. Glad to hear you're doing good though. Indeed has been a very long time. Which, that's just how life goes. Okay, let's hope this worked. I rebooted it. Let's see. It's not working. Oh. Oh, Genshin. Oh, Genshin. This is not okay, Genshin. The skill category is not showing up, which is not right. So somehow that's not on the server node, which makes no sense. Custom prefab. Yeah, this makes no sense. It's not showing up. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I can't follow the tutorial if the tutorial isn't reflecting what's supposed to happen. Oh, it's supposed to be in here. Entity node, but there's no... It's just uncategorized, which is not right. Class pickups, class pickups. This is so frustrating. This should be something called Common Squire. Let's rename. Common Squire. I don't know what to do. This actively is not working. Okay, let's go back to terrain editing. Let's go to entity placement. Let's go to here. Oh my god, I don't know. So I'll go to... I'll just show this. Maybe I need to pull up the animation editor for this to work. No, I'm actually trying to do it on mobile. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, it's gotta be awful on mobile. Also, the requirements are pretty hefty. The bare minimum PC is a 3060 RTX. Which is what I have. I have literally the bare minimum of what you need. Oh, I can't even... It's not capturing anymore. It's great to see this working correctly. Like this stream, everything has decided to break again. I haven't tried to play on mobile. Yeah, that makes sense. No, I get it. Some people will only play Genshin on mobile. So I'm trying to I don't know why the coding window just decided to not capture anymore, so I'm trying to fix that. Really annoying. It's decided to not work. Okay, it's just not gonna work. That's okay. Alright, well you guys won't see the nodes. It's just not capturing anymore. Like I literally I don't know. It's not capturing. It literally worked 2 minutes ago and now it's not working. I don't know. I give up. Here, if I switch... Okay, we see this. Switch back to... Okay, now it's working. I play on PS4, but Wonderland isn't available on it since PS4 is shutting down the servers next spring. Yeah, I saw that. It's really unfortunate. Create node graph. We'll call the... Rename this to... Class Pickup Effect Wire. Okay, so in here, we're going to add... I'm following the tutorial. When executing, order 66. Very important. I look at this wrong. Oh, when entering, not executing. Okay. Got it mixed up. Too poor for computer that can actually handle Genshin. Yeah, that's fair. Phones are more affordable. I already read that. Yeah, and Genshin's requirements also went up, so it's like... I didn't think my old laptop could run it anymore. I used to play Genshin on my old laptop. Not on stream, but... Yeah, I don't even think my laptop can handle it anymore. A class. Okay, we get something called player get Player. Entity to which character belongs. Get character to which. Yeah, we put this trigger here, put this to. Where does this go? Oopsies, I mixed it up. This goes over here. Oopsies. And the class config is at the dynamic item. You just copy it, which I'm not showing because I don't want to switch screens. Oopsies. So that will swap the class that we just set up on the empty object. Or sorry, not empty object. It's the. Oh shoot! I hope it's not the case. Actually, no. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be the configuration ID of that. So that should be the ID. That was wrong. Used to play on laptop. Only handles 64 gigabytes and good. Really runs Subaru. Oh. Dang. 64 gigabytes? Jeez, that's like... Oh. Yeah, that's not a lot. I don't even know if you could install Genshin on that laptop anymore. I think Genshin's more than 60 now. I think it's like 70. Oh. Dang. Yeah, external hard drive, 1 terabyte, just play Fontaine. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, the problem with external hard drives is the load time on them can be pretty rough. Yeah, we're gonna destroy entity because I don't want this to come back. Actually, we don't really need to destroy this. You know what? Let's not destroy entity. Let's keep the classes in the battlefield. Oh, I cannot imagine doing this on mobile. Now that you mentioned it. Zoom multiplier 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Input string. Actually, it was really fast, but now I play on mobile. Ah, okay. I guess you got lucky with the hard drive. Okay, this will be sword 01. Input string should be GI hand R. So we could actually put it in the left hand if we wanted to. I don't know why this is broken though. Because for some reason the skills aren't showing up in where they're supposed to. So I'm gonna hopefully have to fix that. This is not accurately reflecting what's actually in. Surprised that that still runs. I don't know, phones have gotten better. Okay, so basically this class, I think what we're gonna do, go back to this prefab right here. Add a node graph, class pickup Squire. So that's the class pickup. So now we go into here, go to prefabs. I feel like something is broken right now. Preset loop. Look at class pickups. No, this is broken. This is broken. Okay, well that's great. That explains a lot. Lost. He's so lost. Okay. There's a sword on the ground, right? It's not working. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. I have to destroy it. It looks like coding to me. Yeah, it's node-based coding. So while it's not looking at lines of code, we're still doing coding. And it's brain damage. Because it's Unity. I like Unity, but this is brain damage. Okay, I gotta delete this. Actually, I could have just updated it. Okay, see, there's no collision. We can't climb it. We just have a collider. I'm so mad right now. Okay, maybe I turn this off. Let's test this. There are a lot of things not working. In fact, why is this named this? Class pickup. Oh, that's why. Now change tab. I'm gonna rename this. Squire class pickup. Let's rename it. Yeah, Squire class. That's like the basic sword class. That's all I want. It looks difficult. I'd hate to try that on mobile. Oh. 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 Tarzan. My spirit Disney character. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's make sure this works. It's not working. Oh. I did something wrong. Oh. I did something wrong. I'm not happy by this. Rip sword. And no, these things. Actually, if I go here. I'm clicking on these because I want them to show up somewhere, and they're not. Last pickup. Okay, I think this is actually broken. Hold on, I'm gonna have to switch. These aren't even showing up where they're supposed to. Oh, that's messed up now. Uncategorized. Okay, open this skill node. It's broken. It's actually broken right now. Oh my god. These are not showing up where they're supposed to show up, which means I can't edit animations today. No, we're not even gonna update that. Actually, let me switch levels. I'm unhappy right now. Let's edit this. Discard changes. I'll go back and fix the nodes, but I want to check something. Yep, this is broken. So the update they did today broke it. I'm so mad right now. I'm so mad right now. I shouldn't even be mad, but I am. This is... You could pull up my stream from yesterday and literally see the skill nodes that are supposed to be here. They are not here. So... Oh. I'm so mad right now. That means I can't make custom skills anymore. Because for some reason it's broken now. Oh my god. My face right now. Oh no. what were the what I mean, I don't know what I'm supposed to do about this. Why am I talking to everyone else fall asleep? Maybe. I imagine sleeping. I know, right, Fuzzy? I don't sleep. I'm awake 24 hours?
I hate Mondstadt's crabs. All of them. I want to go out and play. I don't want to just sit there trying to de-shell a crab all day.
Yeah. What Clee said. Oh, I missed a very important component to all this. So, I guess I have to show this. So basically, sleep is for the weak who needs sleep. Exactly. That's why I went to bed at 3 AM yesterday, which was really not good. Okay, so this was supposed to be connected. I don't want to destroy it because I want players to go back. If they want to switch class, they can. Because I can't have a shop system if there's no text that can work right now. But this is broken. And I'm really mad this is broken. I think a good example I see. Exactly. The bestest example. The asbestos example. Okay, if I just... Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Custom skill. It's broken. It's broken. It's broken. I'm so mad right now. Fix your shit, Genshin. Oh, it's actually broken. There's no skill node, so I can't modify skills. Ah! Went to bed at 5 AM yesterday. That's not good. Okay, so I added custom skill. There's no skill node. But the game knows there's a skill node, but it won't show the skill node. I probably am gonna restart the game because I can't do this. Wait, so if I want to redo all their skills, do I have to do that? Yep. You have to code in the skills, animations, and stuff. It's a lot of work for small things. RIP. Okay, let's test this. Right, let's just make sure the basic skill works. It's going to change your class. Our HP is going to change. And I'm going to set up an enemy that we kill that gives us XP when we kill it. Because there's no direct setting to do that. You have to do that in nodes because my phone may crash. Oof. Okay, it's not working. This is great. Oh, why? Am I just dumb? This isn't an inventory problem. Target entity. Okay, alright. Yep, this is... I'm so happy right now. I followed the tutorial. Okay, one more thing. I'm so mad right now. I know I didn't include one thing, which... there's so many... Oh. Okay, we'll go here. Let's follow it exactly. I didn't want to destroy because I thought that seemed kind of... It is a roguelike. Maybe we want to make it punishing, but... Theme. Destroy entity. So it destroys target entity and then transitions to this. Remove that. Okay, well that's great. Just a little perhaps. And this, can we disconnect all lines? Yeah, there we go. My phone might just explode. Probably. That's possible. Okay, I figured out what the problem was. Trigger entity is this. Entering entity is this. So I actually messed that up. That's probably why it wasn't working. Okay, and we're going to test this now. And then we'll test the XP system. And then I can't do skills on this stream because it's broken. I'm gonna have to file a ticket if it doesn't fix itself when I reboot the game because it's actually broken. I can't edit them anymore. Oh my god, true. I'm gonna have so much fun. Hopefully no phone's on fire. Okay, it worked. But it didn't work. Okay, so she picked up the sword, but the problem is, okay, yeah, she picked up the sword, but for some reason, it didn't change class. Also, she equipped it, quote unquote. Look how terrible that is. Is not grabbing the sword. That's a technical oversight that they didn't fix. God. I apologize to anybody who sees this in the future and who is watching this now. I understand. Okay, I'm gonna rewatch the tutorial. Alright, I'm just gonna watch this. I'm gonna have to try this. Last stream, I couldn't figure out text and inventory, and I realized the inventory is because I didn't add it to player. But this stream is legitimately a problem because the skill nodes aren't appearing. Player enters collision, their class is changed. Target class should be the ID. I copied the ID of the swordsman. Okay. This is... Okay, base HP should be 100. Let me recopy this. Let's hope this actually works. Okay. That is the class ID, and it didn't... That's a big oof. It's a major oof. Built-in sound effect, zoom, attachment point, special effect. It's not gonna work, is it? I followed the tutorial exactly. Alright, I'm looking because I want to make sure I'm not screwing this up more. They run up to it, they equip it, it changes their class. Did that happen here? No. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. This just isn't working. First the skills are broken, now it won't change the class. I don't know anymore. Okay, it deletes it, but it didn't change the class. I don't know. I literally followed the tutorial exactly. I even added the destroy entity like they had. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm getting really fed up with this already. Okay, maybe let's do this. I'm gonna try some mini games after this because I just want to check them out. I rage quit. Yeah. This is not a good look, Genshin. It's not working. I'm so mad right now. I'm so mad right now. First the skills. Now this. Ah. Oh my god. We got a trigger list. We have this modified node graph. I mean, I don't know what to do. Change player class. Okay. Oh, you know what? I am such an idiot. These things are okay. Trigger entity is the box, the trigger, right? The collision trigger, so that player walks into it. And I had it switched because it's hard to see off of this because they just showed the nodes like this. I don't know, I just got confused, I guess. Actually, it's even closer together. It's like something like this, which should not be like this. And I moved these because I want them to be more visible, right? This is easier to look at than what they had. So that's oversight on my end. So this should work now. It still doesn't make sense why the skills aren't working, like why I can't modify them. I literally modified them yesterday and then there was a patch today, like I don't know. I also upgraded my creator rank, so I don't know if that mucked with something. Let's try this again. I can't believe how long this took. I'm gonna crash out over this mode. Okay, now it works. So now we equipped a sword. Okay, see, okay, now it works. No surprise. Okay, so now we have a basic class. And generally, if you use the preset, it doesn't have the sword equipped. So that's why we had to do the extra coding to equip a sword. Progress though, true. So if you don't equip the sword, only when you attack will there be a sword that appears. So then if we add new swords, it makes it more complicated to change this attack. Uh-oh. Actually, at times you can see there's actually 2 swords. Which is, yeah, that's, yeah, you could see 2 swords there. Okay. And then I gave her a dash. Doesn't consume stamina. I think we could change that. If I was able to access the nodes to change that. The whole point of this is that because we can't use text until level 3, creator level 3, I need to publish one work before that. I have players be able to run into these things, which will then change the class. But let's make this not. I'll remove destroy entity. Go and try this, have fun. Good luck. Recap. Hope you have a good one. I'll probably try some of the modes out. Okay, before I try any modes out though, let's test out some enemies. I just want to test an XP system, so this is kind of complicated. Hilly curl. What a beautiful hilly curl. Level 1. Uncategorized. Nico Nico ni. Nico ni. Nico Nico. Let's give him leaving battle distance? Nah, 150, screw that. Range detection, 20. Kill cooldown. Raise a range skill, special skill. Let's remove that. Actually, let's remove all of these. Okay. Okay, so we're at a node graph. This is gonna be basic XP gain. So I guess I have to show this again. How am I gonna do this? I guess it's gonna be something like player. Actually, I don't know why I did that. Destroy entity. Execution. Oh, when entity is destroyed. There we go. That works. XP. Increase player's current class XP. We'll increase it by, let's just say 10. Well, actually, I want the player to level up, so let's say 500. I'll change it in the future. I think that's all we need to do. Target player. Seems to be something down here. Player entity which the character belongs. That's probably not what we want. Let's look back here. Oh, that is what we want. Damage source, entity type, owner, entity. Oh, I don't know. Affiliated player, entity. Event source, entity. I don't know. Entity type, action, damage source, owner, entity. God, I don't know if any of these work. I guess we'll just see. I'll try some of the minigun games after this. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but we could test. Oh, this guy's gonna aggro immediately. That's gonna be really not nice. So I was gonna make him wander. That's one of the things I want them to do is wander. I'll fix that after. By default, they just stand in place, which is really dumb. I guess it's because you want to minimize some stuff. I guess because the revive is only... Ooh. Okay, yeah, this works now. We didn't level up. That guy is weak. I don't know how to get XP to work. Part of the problem is figuring out... Okay, let's go back here. Prefab. Edit this guy. Standing should be wandering. We can make him dance. Yeah, we make him wander like 30 meters. No. Okay. There we go. So that's functional. Now trying to understand this is not functional. Okay, I'll show this. Yeah, I don't... When entity is destroyed, target player... Maybe I just say... Or maybe just like not do that. Let's just see. Yeah, I have no idea how to get that to work. I guess in theory we want it like a score system. So the goal is there's gonna be side areas where you fight harder enemies to get more XP to make you stronger. It'll be riskier, and then there'll be items locked behind that too. I gotta figure out puzzles, but that's for another day. Okay, so this guy's like right there. Maybe I need more enemies. Oh yeah, the revive position, which I think I only give the player one revive because it's a roguelike. So this guy... Oh yeah, we can just do this. Copy. Boop. Boop. Okay, I don't know. I'm well, let's go back to this. I don't know how this is gonna work, honestly. It'd be counterintuitive if they dropped an item and then if the item... The entity is removed, sauce destroyed. And then something related to XP. Or something related to the player. That's what I can't figure out. We gotta figure out the player. Player. I don't know. Get player entity which the character belongs. Get all character entities for player. Player current UI. I don't know. Doesn't make any sense. I think I have to do like a score thing. I mean, they have an XP system, so clearly that's important, but usually it's not by destroying something. Oh, it's not entity, it's creation. These are different things. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing wrong. So that's complete oversight again on my part. Damn. Not a good look. Yeah, these are creations, not entities. If it was an object. But then I don't know. Well, this doesn't make any sense. It doesn't solve the fact that we don't have... I mean, could I just like... Alright, let's try this. The reason why I'm doubling up on stuff is I just want to see. Yeah, I don't know why this isn't... I'm not sure how this works. This will be something I have to figure out later, probably. Probably gonna end soon, but I want to test out some mini games because why not? Gotta explore Miliastria. Okay. Switch class. Yeah, it's not working. So it probably doesn't know what the player is. Either that or when the enemies die, they need to drop something that increases the player's XP. Which... that... Okay. That's probably... Yeah. Okay. So unfortunately, that's probably what I have to do. I hate that. It seems like though that's what I have to do. So I'm actually gonna... Yeah. And I'm not happy by that, but it looks like that's what we have to do. So yeah, this is gonna be... We'll call this XP times 200. And yeah, so instead of a sword, we want something like a coin. And then we want some sort of like light. Oh, you know, maybe rainbow. Yeah, let's do that. Get rid of this. Yeah, it's just gonna be a rainbow because it's XP. Let's see, colorful light effect, colorful light ascending, colorful prompt, Powerful airflow. Powerful halo. I mean, that's kind of nice. That's a pretty good indicator. Powerful light effect, I feel like would be more associated with the... No. Yeah, let's do this. I like this. So we'll stick with this. This will be 2. It's pretty visible. It's a pretty good indication that, okay, this is XP. I'll add this. We'll make XP pickup. Yeah, so it's gonna be 200 XP. Yeah, we'll have to add a new node, which I'll show. So, all I'm gonna do, copy this. This be XP gain 200. XP gain pickup, no, we'll say pickup. XP pickup 200 plus 200. Gotta make it really obvious and clear so it's easier to find later. So instead of changing our class, the goal is I'll have to change the hitbox on it too. Just XP gain. So we already have the affiliate player, right? And then we have an event. We'll set this to 200. We'll save this. Go back. Add this. Delete this. Whoop. Override. And now it should work. I'm sure there's a way to do it, and I'll have to really think about how to get this to work with the enemy. So to get these guys to drop it, I think these guys level 5. I think level 1 was too easy. They're too much of a joke. Now to have them drop it, that's a whole nother... Oh. Probably has to be a node. My guess. Well, I'll go back here, copy, but instead we're gonna have it drop. Maybe spawn. Okay, how about this? Spawn. Entity. Create entity. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is how we're gonna do this. We're gonna remove this. I don't know why I copied this. I'm gonna rename this to pick up kill effect. Really important. Okay. Find myself wanting to do this. I'll bug you about it. Okay. If you want to go through the pain and suffering. Entity. When entity is destroyed, removed / destroyed. Event source UID, I don't know what that is. Create entity. and then we go back to the XP. So this is our prefab. I think this should work. I really hope this works. Actually, let's just keep both of those. Okay, let's test play. Okay, we got our sword. It didn't work. Oh no! Ah. Okay. There's something about destroying entity that doesn't work. In the sense that it's not calling to the right thing. So let me look on the tutorials. Maybe there's actually documentation on that. Let's see. General guide. I'm enjoying the minigames while you suffer. Don't worry, I'll go to the minigames soon. I just wish I could figure this out. Creation. Collision, unit status, collision source, nameplate, bubble. Oh. Minimap marker. Global timer. Well, it, trophies, I think that's what we want. But that's an item. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, I know what I need to do, but I'm like... Okay. Okay. I figured it out. Empty model. We'll have to redo this. XP drop. So this is how we're gonna do this. I said we wouldn't do items, but it seems like I have to. If only... I just feel like the XP is just not working. There's gotta be something I'm missing and I just don't know. To search files XP. I gotta look on the manual. I'm actually reading it. I don't know how else to do this without reading it. Active player entity increase the amount of XP to be increased. I didn't think an XP system would be so freaking complicated, but it is. Target player, active player. That's what I don't understand. So when somehow I'm not, I don't. Because if I do this, then I need an inventory. That's not gonna work. Oh. I'm not sure what to do. This is XP drop loot times 200. No. Interactive pickup, auto track pickup. Trying to do this without items is not... Okay, it's not working. Let's do XP, colorful. Okay, colorful light effect. Let's do colorful halo. That one's better. For what we're trying to do, make it 2. Override. Okay, so it has visual effects. It includes loot. Doesn't have a model. That's okay. I mean, I guess we could just do. Make the box bigger. But then I have to add an item with ale. So item XP times 200. I guess we just have different XP tiers. Now you know what? I gotta look at this for a second. Bulk use. Auto use upon pickup, no cooldown. Destructible, tradable, not destructible, not tradable. No currency. Individualized reward. XP drop times 200. Okay. But then it doesn't have a associated effect. Oh, no. Associated item effect. Okay. So. Oh, making a consumable is... It's a lot of work. Actually, why am I doing 200 XP? We could just do 1 XP and simplify it and just make a drop based off of... Okay, that's actually what we're gonna do. Um, XP consumable. So yeah, the XP is gonna be through an item, but the player won't see what the item actually looks like. I'm actually gonna change it to, once it's 200, we'll just do a drop that drops 200 of these XP things. So it'll be XP drop times 1. So it'll be worth 1, but we'll make it worth more. Okay, I don't know how to make a consumable though. Oh man. Ha ha. Ha. Oh yeah. I can only drop 200. It doesn't make sense. Okay. So there's a guide for this, and I don't tutorial. Oh, yeah, card select loot items. Okay. We don't need to add a pickup for this because it's gonna auto pick up. Um Um, oh, this is giving me a huge headache. So this should be when there should be an item thing in here when item is sold. This should be when items are used. Boop, boop. We got 1 XP. Okay. Amount to use. Well, that's more complicated. Branch. Double branch. This tells the game yes, no. It's a bit. So basically, the condition that has to be met is yes. Oh no. That's not. Okay, equal or not. Equal or not. Okay, that's not even right. Are you serious right now? Equal. Item index. That's not right either. I just want to point out something here. That is not. That is different. Okay, so copy the ID of this thing. Boop. Uh, owner entity. All right, we'll roll with that. I'm not confident that's actually gonna work. So, and I made the Hilly Crow drop 200 of these items. So, because now we're working with something I said we weren't gonna do, it's a little annoying. Gonna have to actually add a inventory again. Otherwise this won't work. This is the basic template. It doesn't need to be complicated. Save it. And then we'll go back. Okay, now we're gonna test this. I don't know if this is gonna work. Basically, they're gonna drop a trophy when they die. The trophy will automatically go to the player because it knows that's an item drop. We don't need to do a node graph for that. Okay, that worked. But what's not changing is the player level. Okay, yeah, so those were auto-consumed, but it didn't increase our level. I'm not really sure. I oh. So it collects the item, it consumes the item. But for some reason, it won't give us a level. Oh, God. I'm not even sure what to do about that. Oh, you know what? I know what the problem is. Okay, so basically, you have to tell it. I changed the script. Okay. One more test. Then I'll try mini games. At least this, I mean, this is progress at least. If I can't do an XP system, what I can do, I can add different levels of the class throughout the thing. And then you have to beat bosses to get stronger versions of certain classes. But then knowing where those classes are would be a really huge pain in the butt. It's not working. It's not increasing our level. I don't understand. I mean, yeah, I don't get it. I set it to 10,000 XP. So let's verify that for some reason our class is not working. Common Squire. Okay. Linear formula. Let's see. List configuration. How about this? List configuration. We only need 500 XP. All right. 500 XP. That's not difficult. I didn't think an XP system would be such brain damage when they could have just implemented that into the enemy attributes. It doesn't make sense why we have to manually set this up. Yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't give the player XP. I got the item drop to work. It does make sense in a way to not include it. I mean, if somebody didn't want it, they could just set the value to 0. That's why I think it doesn't make any sense. I don't know. I don't know why this isn't working. When items in inventory are used, item owner entity. Oh. Set. You know, let's try something. I don't know. I'm so confused. I'll have to do more tests. It's such a huge pain in the butt to set these up though. Multiplication, data. On version. Data type. Data type conversion. So this is in the tutorial. I'm glad to see this lines up because there's one thing that does it from this tutorial. It's the loot items and inventory tutorial on the guide. And some of the things like when items are used, it does not match up. This says item index on the website, but this says item config ID, which I know is the same thing, but like, why does it not line up? Okay, it wants me to, okay, we're putting integer there. Let this be set it to 5. So multiply the amount used by 5 to an input that then gets converted to an output. There's the number. Oh, that can't be used there. Okay, what about this? I can just export it as that. Okay. Item owner entity is the player. So I don't know why this, yeah, I don't know. This is kind of, oh. See, a score is not good enough because the reason why I want XP for classes so you can make a class stronger as you go through. And then if you swap the class, you can have a higher level class. Yeah, it's not working. Ugh. I don't know. I don't know. This makes no sense. We got an item drop. The item drop goes to their inventory. It gets consumed. On consumption, it's supposed to set the item owner, which is the player, XP to, technically it'd be 200 per. I don't know. I don't get it. I'm a little confused by this. Doesn't make any sense. I'm actually gonna remove the thing that I set. Oh, you know what? Oh. Oh. Okay. One more test. So it's set to 10,000 XP. We only need 500 XP to level up. Unless I just am not allowed to level up. I mean, I'm a little confused by this. Maybe the XP system is a ranked system. That's why it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay. I don't know. I have no idea. All right. Uh, okay. 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 So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this prefab right here. I'm gonna copy it. And now what this is gonna be, oh, I have to create a new effect. Level 100. Let's just that's the level 100. Okay. This is so irritating. There's almost no incentive to kill enemies if there's nothing you can gain. I don't get it. Yeah. Make it make sense. Somebody make it make sense. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Like, nothing I've done so far has increased the XP gain. We have an item that drops. Level 2 editor though. Yeah, I'm also level 2. So that's good to know. Oh, how did I get it to work? Oh. Oh, okay. At least it's not locked behind higher ranks. I was worried that it's locked behind level 4 editor, but it's not. And text is locked behind level 2. Sorry, level 3. I'm not. No. Oh. Okay. I'm glad you mentioned that, Fuzzy, because that sort of that helps me. Stressing yourself over a game of fun. I know, but I had a vision of making a roguelike, multiple roguelikes, and so many. First, the skills stopped working. That is an actual bug. That's not just me losing my brain cells. These actually aren't working. But oh, actually, you know what? Let's do this. Uncategorize. Let's see. I'm disappointed. Oh my god, did I? Uh, Skill node. Okay, I figured out where the skills went. So that at least is fine. Okay. Okay, so it's in a different tab. It's called Client Node Graph. Okay, that explains a lot. I thought it was bugged. It's not. Thank God it's not. Okay, so for anybody who might watch on YouTube in the future too, you can pull up this window here, go to Client Node, and this is where your skills are at. Okay. And this is where you can edit the visual effects for skills and also the damage or add projectile, stuff like that. So that's where this is. Okay, and I duplicated aerial charge, so that's why there's a duplicate there. Okay. New folder, custom skills. Add that there. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do. Oh. So did that one level that you did the XP gain, was that through picking up objects? Was that through killing enemies? Was that through... I'll figure this out off stream, honestly. I'm very frustrated. I'll learn this editor eventually. I should actually create a level, which I probably will, but I guess off stream. Stop being angry. I'm not angry anymore. I'm just frustrated by this. 0 points again. Oh no. Alright. Alright, we're gonna copy this. The comment. Okay, that's in Chinese. Okay. Data overwrite successful. So this could be Squire level 100 with this for noter. I'd be mad if I get refunded points. You don't want points refunded? Oh.
Bro.
Oh, sorry. This should be a level. Level 100. Whatever. Set the level here. Default curve. Level 100. Linear formula. Linear formula. I'll copy this right here. Paste it into the ID. We'll go back to this object over here. Out in high noon. Delete this. Add a new node graph. Level 100. This town ain't big enough for these things. Okay, level 100, which is right there. Okay, alright. Let's do this. I'm gonna try some stages out so we can experience the Wonderland to its maximum. So I don't lose my shit. You play the maps you make? Yes. Okay, level 100. What? That's... like something's wrong with my headphones. Sorry, give me a second. Something's wrong with my headphones. That was weird. Okay, so that worked. But the leveling system didn't work. Like, okay, it leveled up the class, but yeah. Alright. Well, I'll figure it out. Let's try a few things. I think something's wrong with my headphones. Uh-oh. There's a combat challenge. Is this PvP? Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Player count 1 to 2. Go to lobby. Oh, geez. Oh, no. I'm a little afraid. I think this is PvP. Oh. You have to match with people. Okay. What am I doing? I want a refund for my 1 point. I think you get more than 1 point in like 30 minutes. Alright. I shouldn't have done PvP, but it's okay. Oh. Fire Fist, Long Spear, Mage. Fire Fist, Great Hammer. Werewolf. Counterattack. This is literally PvP. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my 1 point, sad. Uh-huh. Wow, this is crazy. What's it doing? Oh shoot. Oh frick. Can't jump. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I'm doing damage. Oh jeez. Oh god, this guy's damaging me. Oh, he's going in. Outcome is decided defeat. Why was that defeat? How was I defeated? That didn't make any sense. What? That literally made no sense. How did I get defeated? Okay. Maybe because my HP was lower. Maybe it was the timer. Okay. This is cool. This is a mode. Oh, he's doing a lot of damage. Ow. Oh, that heals. Ouchie. Okay, we're gonna heal. Uh-oh. It's running away. Oh, did we both die? Oh, they almost... Okay. Round 3 defeated. Okay. This is so weird. Playing this in Genshin. Actual PvP mode. This is cool. Ow. Ow. I'm getting annihilated. Ow. Ow. Oh god, I'm totally being annihilated right now. Whoa. Nah, I'm lost. Dang, that's hard. That's cool though, narrow defeat. Swift achievement. Oh, interesting. I'll check out another one. Let's see what other modes there are. People have made. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Okay, what is happening? Oh, there's a bunch of new. Oh, that's a emote. Okay, I need to beat you up sometime. Yeah, we should. I saved it for a reason. We should totally do that sometime. Oh, there's another duel that's higher rated, probably more balanced. There's soccer, gold coin battle, rainbow boomerang, predator end raid. That has very low ratings. Supports single player. Oh, overplanted. That also has a really bad rating. Beneath the Abyss, trending among friends. Island adventure. Let's do that. Person's level 5. Holy shit. They're level 5, and you know what? Miliastra literally came out yesterday. What the frick? That one's nice. The Abyss one. Oh, the Abyss one's really nice. Let me check that. Oh, it's a roguelike. Okay, let's see how this goes. I did not mean to click on that. No, no, go back, go back. What is happening? No! Okay. Oh, this guy's also level 5. Did they get access to text because they're more than level 5? Although load requirement's low. Okay, let's check this out. Reinstalling. I haven't finished it, but it's a little tough. I don't know. I'm amazed that there's already level 5 creators when Miliastra literally came out yesterday. So like 24 hours later, there's people that are already level 5. Oh wow, the camera's like a okay. Select weapon. Coming soon. Whoa. Whoa, what the heck? Wow. Okay, so there's a leveling with there. I don't know how they did that though. I guess each area. So they're struggling with the leveling too. They made it so each area that you enter levels you up. Okay, this is good to see. Elemental mastery. Do health boost. Okay, we're gonna level up to level 4 probably. Maybe this is what I should do. Make it where you have to pass through certain things to level up your class. Probably what I'll do. Ow. Oh, that's cool. On reaching sprint speed, it creates an explosion. That's cool. Whoa. Okay, now we're level 5.
Yeah.
Oh, loot. Okay, yeah, this is well made. Do elemental mastery. I went for stamina recovery. Our stamina's really. Ugh. I don't know how they got the loading orb. Maybe that's just teleporting. Oh, more enemies. Oh, troublesome. Oh shoot. I like how there's no healing too. Ooh. Oh, whoa. Boing. HP when damage. Max HP plus HP per kill. That seems pretty OP. Now we're level 7. Ooh, chance when attack hits blade, dance will be released to damage nearby enemies. That's really cool. Oh, I might have left the soundtrack on. I didn't think about that. Oh no, Genshin soundtrack isn't left on. Okay, that's just the soundtrack of this day. I was like, oh wait a minute. Okay. It's a boss? Oh, I gotta try something after this. Before I go to bed, I want to just show something on stream. Oh wow, this is... Oh, there's Blade Storm. I think there's a way to make tough one here. Yeah, this guy's tanky as heck. Oh, the laser. Or broken AI. There we go. Take his legs out. Okay, that's not good. Okay, I took one leg out. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's really bad. Oh, gosh. Oh, shoot. Oh, we are saved. That was so bad. Okay, the camera's a little freaked out here. Oh, shoot. Oh, frick. He's almost dead, too. Oh, no. The camera. No. No. Gosh darn it. Oh my gosh. That's still really good though. Let's try yeah, that's actually I like that. Pretty much what I kind of envisioned for a roguelike. Yeah, that's actually that's really well made. Okay. I like that. Let's do this. There's another stage I gotta try. Okay. Revives are limited to allocate work reasonably to survive better. Slow-paced farming game. The duration of 1 hour? Oh. Okay. I guess if it's 1 hour, we're not doing this. But darn. This is cool. Okay, I'll do it next time. Oh. 1 hour long. I saved it. I had fun with that one. Yeah, I saw that it said popular friends or something like that. So I figured you were probably one of those people that played it. It's telling me to go to Odes. Why are you telling me to go to Odes? Come on now. Okay. Oh, that's why. No. You have to get a copy of the outfit to get the upgraded version of the outfit, which, no. Why is this lagging? Ooh. Okay. That's super laggy for some reason. Okay. Do we have anything in here? Okay. Okay. So I had an idea. And then I'm gonna go to bed after this. Oh, what is happening? Okay. So if enemies can do that, then we just have a way to set the level of the class based off of progress. I'll show no revive. Okay. Well, what I want to see is if we could change the size of enemies. That's something I just wanted to see. Let's see. Because imagine, take this guy. Oh, it doesn't look like we can. Oh, imagine this guy being massive. Being huge. Absolutely huge. Darn. Yeah, I guess you can't change the scale of them. Decoration editor. Select. Let's see, add decoration. Oh. So you're telling me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. You're telling me. No way. No way. This can't be. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way they would let this be a thing. You know what's crazy about this? If you've ever played a game called Shadow of the Colossus, which the world in Shadow of the Colossus is pretty empty, and that's kind of the point. But the bosses were such complex because you usually have to climb the boss, figure out a puzzle on the boss while it's trying to kill you. And that's Collision. Also, I want to see, is there like a timer I can set? That would be a thing to say. Global timer, let's do that. Manage timer, new timer. Let's say stopwatch. There we go. That's just gonna be important for like the scoring. I'll put this thing down because I want to see what happens when we try to play this. Alright, so I'll work on a roguelike. And I think I have an idea what I could do. Okay, so this guy... Oh... Oh shoot! Oh fair. Did it say... Don't tell me I have to program that too. I have to program the... Oh. When you die, even though there's no revive, I have to program that it ends... Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. That is absurd. So many things that are kind of dumb. All right. Okay, let's edit his attack. Let's see, territory, and special skill. Ooh, let's make the special skill have no cooldown, because that makes sense. Doing great. Press F to doubt. I have a waterfall on this guy. Okay. Oh, I get to scale it up. Okay, the whole point of me doing this, I just want to see if we can, I'm so irritated. It's a lot of work for small things. Which, granted, this is a complicated game, so maybe I shouldn't be complaining. Creation HP, tab, network, struggle, minimap, AI, or UI, timer. Let's put a timer there. There we go. That seems like a good thing to add. What else? Prefabricated. Oh yeah, a deck selector. Please edit and you control group library. Oh. Oh yeah, what about a scoreboard? Maybe a scoreboard for killing enemies. Not that there's a counter for that. Oh boy. Maybe let's hide that for now. I have to switch it to this. This. Fix it in each of these. Oh boy. Okay. Alright, this is the last thing I'm gonna do. That should probably end. Alright, I have an idea what to do about the roguelike, so that at least there's that. I have a vision. It's just figuring that out's gonna be difficult, but now I'm just kind of screwing around. At least we get okay, so I could do skills. I want to see what this is like. Uh-oh. 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 Oh. Okay, and then the timer's not working, so that's a thing. Not bad. Yeah, I thought you could climb the dragon, but it doesn't seem you can do that. That's what I was trying to test, but... So the timer doesn't... Okay, maybe I didn't... Stopwatch. Specific timer. Global timer. There we go. Stage entity. Player thyself. Oh, now the Genshin soundtrack has been playing. Okay. Alright. Alrighty. Get on with it. Copy data. I can't paste any data there. Get on with it. Ramp. Okay, let's try this. Uh-oh. Oh god, no. Okay, I just want to see, can we hop on top of this? Hoppus Monkus. Because if this is a thing, I could totally do a Shadow of the Colossus type of crap, where the boss only has one exposed point, or different exposed points based off the decorations attached to them. And that would be really... Ooh. Unless they have an AoE ability, then never mind. That would sort of nullify it completely, but okay. Okay, so we got this set up. Oh, big scary dragon. The ramp didn't update. No. Okay, the stopwatch is working. Okay, that's good. The stopwatch is actually working, so at least we have that. Oh, I just need to make a really basic roguelike. I'll make a bunch of abilities, but yeah, because we can't do custom text at the moment. And then I'll make the more complicated one later. So this stuff I'll do offstream. For some reason, this didn't update. Let me, Maybe we can make a skill really fast. That's something we do. Then I'll end. Just an example skill. I change the level 100 or get a new placer. Make it a book. Or a crystal. Okay, the extra ramp's not working. I was hoping this would work. Cause it works here now. Oh, I guess not. Oh, it says that it was climbable. I guess not. Still cool though. So in theory, you could make an enemy out of decorations and then basically, I'm gonna delete this because I don't want that guy anymore. You could use visual effects and the static objects to hide it. It'd be hard to hit it, but still, I think that's really cool. Climb the tower, slay the princess. I like that. Yes, climb the tower and slay the princess. Kinda evil, not gonna lie. I guess class level doesn't... I'm sure you know that game called Slay the Princess. Yeah. I do. It's a great game. Oh. Things are broken again. Oh, yes, they are. We love our broken things. Oh, yes, we do. Oh. Okay, you see this? We switch back to this. Thank you, Streamlabs. Thank you, kind sir. I'm just gonna copy this right now. We'll call this Flame Blade. Fire Mage. Because we're gonna have a different way of leveling up. Okay. Fire Mage. I actually have to make a Fire Mage. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like I should go to bed. Brain at this point is just like not wanting to work. Ranged. Okay. Making Fire Mage. Okay, I had to make an ID for this. Okay. I haven't actually set it up yet though. So I'll go here. Open. Change this. Super easy. We don't have to change anything. Actually, we do have to change one thing. This scrunkly right here. Actually, it's actually really scrunkly. Mr. Scrunkles. I don't know where to find more of these attachments, but we'll go like this. Fire. Uh, okay, so we have this. Now I'm gonna we'll leave this. Leave this for now. We'll go back over here. We're gonna have to change this right here. Advanced editing. Fire. What? Okay. Now that seems fine. Oh no 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 no. Fire mage class pickup. Okay. And then this. Gotta add this. Fire mage. Gotta delete this. Then we gotta save this. Ooh, scary music. I'm so scared. Okay, so all this is I'll have to go and edit the skill for this. So there's not really much to this one. So, okay, there's a little fireball. Okay, we have a fireball in our hand. That's really goofy. It didn't give us any skills. Oh my god, are you freaking... I messed up. What a surprise, I know. Ah, sleep. It's I should sleep. So what I did here was not what you're supposed to do. Fire mage class. I didn't put the right ID in, so it was wrong. Okay, save that. This is all fine. Linear formula, it's all good. Custom camera. Okay, so the attack. Fire mage. There we go. I'm such an idiot. Okay, so now... what we gotta do. For the final trick. We're gonna find the one piece. Well, yeah, we gotta find the one piece pretty much. Yeah. Gotta find the one piece. Alright. That's not what I want to do. These things, XP drop. XP drop. Alright, go back. Class. Drops. I'm trying to make this really organized. Man, I can't believe people have already made so many things. And here I am fumbling. I'm like... Oh, that does make me feel very... I'm glad people have made a lot of great stuff already, but damn. Do I just suck? Oh. It'll be Fire Mage Charge 1. And then Fire Mage Charge 2. We'll have to figure out visual effects, so that's something. Like timed effect. Ooh. Okay. Wait a minute. Genshin. Wait. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's gotta be a shockwave effect. Okay, this is just like super basic. I'm just trying to like get this to work. Oh, I have to set. Oh yeah, we have to set stuff here. Yeah, damage type's gotta be fire. This could be difficult. Trying to figure this out. If I could. There's gotta be a way to have this move forward. That's something for you to mess with later. I'll edit this. Oh, it's a different effect. Well then. I'm not quite sure what to do here. Make this pyro. Save this. Oh. What the Sigma? Oh yeah, we need to change this on hit. Come on, pyro. Come on hit, pyro. Yeah, on hit, pyro. Okay, and then I don't know. I had this effect, but maybe I should do something else. Oh yeah, plunge. Well, that's interesting. Okay, so I'm just making a fire version of this ability. I just as a demonstration, I just want to see if this works. So now we have these two things here. I'll have to rename it eventually. We'll have like different. I'll actually add different abilities for each class. So, like the fire mage will have more than fire mage. This is just like I'm just trying to figure out how it works. Obviously, we needed E and Q. I think Q will add a cooldown though too. Okay, so we have all these effects. Fire Mage class, Fire Mage. Now we go back to Fire Mage. Go to the animation editor, and so do we only have one charge attack? Looks like we only have one charge. Oh no, there's charge level 2. So there's 2 charge levels. This is what we have to change. Oh. Frick, did I rename something that was not supposed to be renamed? Uh-oh. Do. Okay, so that's cool. I might have broken another ability, but it's okay. So this is the other charge level. Oh yeah, then they explode. That's cool. So we could change the VFX here to like whoa. Okay. Red. Oh god, no. That's kind of cool. Red ascending dust. Let's do that. And then shrink it a lot. So it'd be like, I don't know, 30%. That didn't seem to shrink. Okay. No, that's still cool though. Okay, and then I want pyro. Expanding aura. Oh yeah. Okay, this is cool. Let's do this. So it's creating like an aura, then it does that, and then boom. How's it going, Bizarre? How are you doing? I think I might have broken the aerial charge. Let's see. Oh, it still works. Okay, hopefully this all works. That was very complicated to make. We go back, we get the fire spell. Okay. Oh, it's working. Got the extra charge level. Boom. It works. Yay. There's random collision here, though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I just got my fire cape on RuneScape Iron Man. Nice. Okay, so this is missing something. Whoa. I appreciate the resub. Holy cow. 48 months. I still need to make more badges. Gosh darn it. I appreciate it, Bizarro. Imagine making more badges. Nah. I do appreciate it a lot. Would not think somebody would have 48 months. Actually wild. Also something to spend all these points on. Oh. Let's go back here. I gotta fix something here. Zoom multiplier. Oh yeah, we gotta fix this. Set this to play built-in sound effect. No. Gotta clear the previous class. Somehow. Oh, when player class is removed. Trying to figure out how I could do this. No, could be a way to end this effect. Okay, let's see. Special. Clear looping special effect. There we go. Or is that the ID? I don't know. Oh, no, I do this. There we go. So this is something we have to add because otherwise this won't work. Okay, I hope this works. Let's test this. I didn't anticipate this happening. Oh man, this is so much brain damage for something that should be brain damage. But it is. And I understand why. For some of it. It's like swapping classes. You have to add something so it doesn't... Okay, that looks better. I have to go here. Okay, it didn't remove it. Okay. Oh. It didn't remove it. Not sure what to do about that. The player class is removed. I mean, this should be pretty straightforward. Yeah. Oh, maybe that's why that didn't work. Okay, let's go back to the squire. Oh, the squire! Paste. Oh, maybe the... Oh. Did I set that up before? Wow, this is I did not. That might be why that didn't work. let's test this. Man. Now changing classes is a huge, awful pain in the butt. Because the visual effects don't want to cooperate. Okay, we grab fire. Whoa, I have fire. Alright, go back over here. Okay. I do like how this looks though. And then it charges up. And then boop, I should have stacked the visual effects. It's one problem for the next problem. I guess that's coding. I should just go to bed at this point. This is annoying. I don't know what to do about this either. It's like the XP thing. This should be straightforward though. That's what I don't get. This in theory should be straightforward. Maybe. Okay, remove. Clear looping fact. Yeah, I'm not even sure at this point. Class. Let's look at class. Let's see what that does. When player class changes. Okay, how about that? Let's do that. Delete that. Okay. Let's see. And I'll copy that. Yeah, I just need to link these, save that. A lot of like tested the same thing. I've made so little progress. Okay, I guess I got a working class that you pick up. I got an item drop that goes to the player, although it doesn't do anything. I would make it do something in the future though. Okay, we got this. Not working. Still a nice visual though, I think. Makes a little ding. This I definitely need to change. What I could do is add secret classes with special abilities. Give them a different visual effect around them. Like this is just to demonstrate a fire mage, and then I'll have like a, I don't know. I know there's different swords too. I just don't know. Yeah, swapping classes seems to be a problem, and I don't. It shouldn't be brain damage, and it has to be in the same node, because otherwise you can't call for the instanced visual effect. This thing right here. This is what we're trying to clear. You know what? I'm gonna ask Copilot. I can't seem to clear mounting, looping, special effects in the server node graph. Resource. Explore. Let's see what AI says.
There's no audio!
There's no audio. When the player changes class via Entering collision trigger. Entering collision trigger. Let's see what Copilot says. What the heck? Oh! Okay, so pretty much... Okay, so... Okay, so even though Copilot doesn't actually know...
It's good to get out and stretch your legs once in a while.
The irony. Oh, the irony. Time to stretch those legs. Right before sleeping, just call. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Just do push-ups in your... Yes, exactly, exactly. Oh, I don't know what this is called. Conditional?
Deliverance!
Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. And hook your cleanup logic directly to structure. Listen for class change. Add branch node. Lets it select text the previous class. That lets you selectively unmount only relevant effects. Oh, this isn't helpful. Okay, well that's... Oh, wait. Post modification class ID. Okay, this is what we want. Okay. This is what we want. Okay. I got it. Wow. 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 Oh, I don't remember what to do. I think it's equal. So this is how you check. If the post modification class doesn't match this, then the condition is no, which is the outcome here. I should just select this. There we go. So that basically says if the post modification doesn't match this, then it removes it. Okay, so so basically, okay, now we have to take a step back and make this more complicated, because now Okay. Oh, no, no, no. There's no undo button. Are you serious? Oh, there we go. Okay, I was about to say, that would be atrocious. Could you imagine no undo button? Pre-modification. I might be looking at this wrong. If the condition, yeah, this has to follow in logic. Okay, so then the condition is if this double branch matches, then it mounts a looping effect. If it doesn't match, it clears the looping effect because what you have to do, you have to check. Oh, then we can just do this then. There we go. If it doesn't match, it clears it. If it matches, it will keep the mounted looping effect. Boom. If only this actually works, but if it doesn't work, I'll figure it out. That's way more complicated than it should be. That means making classes is going to be horrifically difficult. I wonder if that's just a way to change skills. Instead of changing a class, can I just change skills? I feel like that'd make my life 10 times easier. Okay, so if we equip this. Okay, I think I have it mixed up. I have it mixed up. Because now the visual effect's not working. But it works, like the idea is there. But the visual effect isn't appearing. Okay, I have to rethink about this. I'll just do that tomorrow. I think the idea is there, the importance. Alright. Well, I hope you'll have a good one. It's 2 a.m. I should go to bed. So have a good one, everybody. Was fantastic. Overall, fun. Was it? It's a bunch of brain damage. Anyways, have a good one. Bye.